news mo side bibia and so okay and so the Emma team no and so so we are giving you live coverage and I say live update and so the free has seen bibia and so to me I come a pitch no I get it ready pa and che na crobia kuma sia Asante Kotoko and so bubu no ababe rem e wo hase ye hwe amanema and so to me I come a vision for no omo ye ni papa ye ba magje fefe so amanema and so to me akoso ye e wo ase na supporters no kakra omo egusu a omo so Urban TV Vision FC omo bass no ana isi hase na omo hwe ababe rem bibia and so to me I come a hwe se benya supporters 1 or 2 be na yetumi ene omo so edi enkomo ahead of gamer omo ebarebo enso e ho no
say so hwa Asante Kotoko omo nni agro team bia aso omo du omo ni bi omo start pay on back ni di kan Bekum omo di kan Bekum Chelsea ene omo di kan ene omo boy no omo koye omo ko hye omo eyo
but me, when it comes to Kotoko and Vision, I have high hopes. Like I said earlier, I know what my boys can do.
Okay.
Don't look at them small; they are mighty.
Okay.
When they come to the pitch, the tactical ways and the skills, they are there.
Okay.
So that's what I want to say. I just want to assure the public that they should look up for 2-0 today.
Okay. And beautiful.
Yes. Like clean goal.
Okay.
Yeah, clean goal. We are giving them clean goal.
Okay.
So they should just watch out.
No penalty.
No. Clean goal. Like the whole world will see. Say net now also.
Okay.
That's what we do to them today.
Oh, net now also. Me pedi okay net now also. Ebe also. Oh yeah, yes. I was saying na be so. Oh, when you dia me repa. Me ba so yeah, ebe
net also.
You won't say also anymore. It was 2 goals. 2 goals no Bakuni no 2 goals. Bakuni into ya boys so
we score them. Yes, we score them.
Now we say Kotoko ade na America no omu guso san ye omu san ba ye friend say your friends Accra so full Accra we say Kotoko go ni ba ko na America ni me no yegu from
one in there
okay eti omu san ba Accra so full for the past 9 years Kotoko entimi win one win ewo your friends Accra Sports Stadium yes bia all the matches you league match 9 years Kotoko ba no 9 years no obubu no
game is football of chances and seasons and time so
oh no hey you don't be fair
we beat Kotoko the year before that's what I want you to understand 3-1
last season team me different last season no now Kotoko has changed they have changed a coach
Vision change players and everything.
Okay.
But I want you to know that Vision is football is a game of chance.
Okay.
And it's a game that repeats history.
Okay.
So history will just be made. Okay. I just don't want to go further or say much.
Okay.
But we'll score Kotoko today 2-0.
2-0.
Yes, that's all.
We'll score
2-0. So if you know what you can do it well. 2-0.
Okay.
2-0.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Players before they came and ever say So Vim Vision FC team no Ababedru and Omo Vim say they win against Robbie Kumasi Asante Kotoko in this game Omo Ababedonti. We are still at Ni Aji Crab the second sports complex na share amani manso atimi ay kama Vision FC team no bedru ye no very good news Omo side that Bibia and so okay so at the Emma team no and so so we are giving you live coverage and I say live update and so at the free has seen Bibia and so to me I come a pitch
vision I say nya come so when you vision
so vision be share asande koro
obeshe ni 2-0 and then physical
what's okay
2-0 so obeshe ni physical 2-0 per last year man emo pa me oh bonds if last season e hard Kotoko form this year team on about just 1 year man I got 2 years ni small body but they are using the brain. I'm not using adrenaline and we are not using the strength. They are using the brain and not in a practical way they just show them. So I'm using one I'm heading all about vision kita form as a speed then opposite then often we know more but I'm using the brain already. I'm you can't say I'm going somebody raha somebody can somebody share vision I'm going to imagine say I'm about begin to say then if you are physical I'm about begin to say if you are
it much say go kabala end up mu ni aji ana
oh anu ka baka be she no asasa okodi en there the oba me ni no ba me hope ni say ye hope ni
as a coach ba kwa Kotoko me bo
we are friend
Right, so any vision for now and so we are still communicating with the Vision FC supporters and so I will say yes you didn't come ahead of the game yes we person can say Vision FC they in the out to be our mobile Kotoko me say last season omo punish Kotoko yepa mo say this game you know omo be punish just a word
yeah because determination here high had a very difficult say be like if we are we about share and they for win we are
I said we share Kotoko now I said I'm kind of what you use
the vision there this season and crown
even as I'm the same thing say but
this is in the me make sure say if penny your match e penny a match be and crown nti Kotoko has so hana e bon the obia using credit season the whole Premier League using cry Now I fell Kobna Mwako. Last season I'm more Ebony FC. And this season I'm by. But because of 1 or 2 injuries in it, and I'm more no fee.
Yeah, we should speed you recovery.
Thank you.
So Vision FC player back kono out of the game and omo looking for a say nyama betimi akoso ye Eddie ama omonti ohwe so security so tight you say police for no so start here almost so area ewo ahase ene Vision for no omo friendly papa they are very friendly and which say Ghana Premier League no madia ye nyina yes so ye boa agudie eni kwan say entokwa gidi bia nti police for so area so ahase Vision FC players no Eddie kan aba enche na Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and so team no and so ababe rem ahase abehwe ababe bia so atumi akoso ye Eddie amount